Welcome back to another crypto video. What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you for jumping into another video. Today we can check out Solana. It's been a while since we looked at Solana, and there's two very important things to do if you're new here, and one of them is please subscribe to the channel, and the second one is hop into that Discord down below where you're going to get lots of free added value to your crypto journey. We're all talking about different things, DeFi projects, sharing analysis, news, and much more. So we're going to have a little look. The market's on a little bit of a blip today. It's slightly red, and you know, every time it's a red market, everyone's crying, oh, crypto's dead, Bitcoin's a scam, and yeah, you know, well, it's not. And why? Why? Because you're in a golden area. You are so lucky right now to be entering a market of this, you know, long-term growth potential and global technology sort of paradigm shift that we've never seen before. I mean, when businesses start to adopt this thing, it's going to explode more than ever. And this particular image right here is just the one image that supports everything I'm saying. Market size of selected assets in trillions, cryptocurrencies just at 2 trillion. Look at stocks, 120, bonds, 123, gold, 11. This is exponential growth, guys. So what happens when crypto flips gold? Or what happens if 50 trillion of stocks money goes into crypto? You know, we're going to see a boom, an absolute boom. So maybe the boom has not even started yet. So yeah, we're going to hop into a bit of Solana today. So make sure you please subscribe to the channel. That'd be awesome. And let's have a little look. So Solana is currently trading at a very interesting $95, rank 8. 30.2 billion market cap, so it's still a pretty hefty number. And you know, rank 8 is one of your blue chips. I wouldn't even say it's a stable coin, however, it certainly deserved its rank. Now let's look at some news. We can see BitOasis expands token offering, lists Cardano and Solana among other popular crypto assets. So again, this is just going to increase the traction, the total wallet holders, the volume as well. So it's going to be quite nice to see more exchanges releasing this particular project, and until it's done, the growth is never ending. We can also see here we've got some awesome news. Solana-based NFT metaverse project Portals raised $5 million in seed funding. We can see Portals, a Solana-based NFT metaverse project, has raised $5 million in seed funding with the aim of building out its vision for the metaverse using the Solana blockchain. The investment round was led by Greylock, with participation from multi-coin capital, Solana Ventures. So again, this is another really cool thing with NFTs. Of course, you can make transactions across the ecosystem. There may be burning involved, much more things to help the price of Solana go up, especially if people are using it more. They're providing more liquidity. They'll be buying more Solana to effectively operate these marketplaces and actually use them and enjoy them at the same time. So this is the same kind of thing here. It's the metaverse project. So it included the Decentraland, the Sandbox, and it's, you know, Solana based portals. It looks really good. Here's a sneak peek at what we've been building in the metaverse with, you know, portals. So let's play the little video. No idea what this is. Some kind of corporate office thing. But it's pretty cool, and the fact that's with Binance, I think that screams the level of exposure that this will be receiving. So it's very exciting to see this particular project play out. So let's hop into the charts. We can see on the 30 days we're down 37.4%. 24 hours we're still down percent. On the 2 weeks we're up 4.1%. So it's a bit of a dip. We've hit another lull in the market, but I think we just need to trade sideways for really as long as possible. Quick swig, sorry about that. So basically, yeah, let's hop in. Just want to say massive thanks as well to the 4 patrons. If you do want to be a patron, it's just the price of a coffee. You'll get one-on-one messaging, Discord access at a premium level, and you'll also receive my ebook here, which will completely shift your crypto journey from maybe a very, you know, medium one to a fantastic one, hopefully, should you be able to apply the knowledge correctly. So let's jump in. Solana, we've had a big head and shoulders. If we hop into that 4-hour time frame, I saw this one as well on Harmony 1 where we had more of a double top, but this was a big head and shoulders, so I'm not surprised that we did lose this support. and we did pretty much perfectly reach our target right down here around $94. So of course this still remains as a resistance level, this $123 mark, which is written in with this big swing high here, bit of consolidation from a capitulation phase, and now we've come all the way back down to this diagonal support level, and maybe we're going to retest this sort of $88 support level. I highly doubt we'll come down any lower. $65, you know, from here. I think $66 is just, it's not going to happen yet, and I don't think it will happen unless we get a true bear market. What I would love to see right now is, because on this 4 hour time frame, you see we've got all these highs, lots of highs here, so this is a key area to try and break through. Now I don't think we're going to immediately jump to $150. I think we need to sort of trade sideways, get that sideways accumulation, and even if it's from around this level all the way to like here, if we can sort of trade sideways now for even the next month or two, maybe in April we're going to see that big boom to the upside, and we need to break this resistance with lots of volume, lots of strength. We can see in the RSI we're at 4 hour, we're oversold again on that 4 hour time frame, and usually that indicates a good buying time as well. So we can see here 4 hour oversold, the price has yet to do something. Last time we're oversold, the price comes up. Last time we're oversold in the 4 hour, price comes up, and many other times on this 4 hour the price, you know, comes up periodically. It doesn't mean it's in an uptrend, but it just means you're going to get a nice impulse, and it can make a very good dollar cost averaging, or, you know, trade entry, so to speak. Not financial advice, of course. So that's what I'm seeing there. The volume is dropping off, the RSI is pretty low. We've got that head and shoulders, but it looks like we did find support around a key area of that golden Fibonacci retracement at 0.618, and if we can consolidate here, maybe we'll start producing some more higher lows along this particular level. That'd be very good if we could produce those higher lows, and then we're going to retarget maybe $123 in the near future. As I say, this is a big area of resistance that we need to get through, but that head and shoulders just played us over right now, and hopefully we're going to put through another higher low soon, just like this one, followed by more higher highs, because it still could be the beginning of an uptrend, but just very slowly. Anyways, my prediction with Solana in the near future is that we're going to hold this level of $94, and we'll get a bounce retesting this $100, and then we'll be making our way up to $125 in the near future. If we of course lose this 88 support, look out for 67. Don't think it's really going to happen. I think we'll find support at 82 again. 82 is much more realistic, and I think there'll be a lot of buying pressure there. Long-term targets, guys, Solana, $323 is my most bullish target, $274 being bullish as well. Once we go into price discovery, I think we'll start cooling down around that 274 mark. So Solana, massive potential, really good project, rank 8, big space for growth in the future. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, smash that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, make sure you subscribe, and also hop into the Discord. There's 70 something people there. You can be one of them. So see you soon, guys. Thank you.